Okay, this is the matrix equation that we're really interested in being able to solve, right? A, X, and B are all matrices, and we want to solve for the variable matrix X. Except normally, when we see something like this as an algebra equation, we're going to think, I'm going to divide by A. But we can't divide by A, right? We're not allowed to divide matrices. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to do the inverse. We saw the inverse matrix in the last lesson. A to the minus 1, B. Take the inverse of both sides. That A to the minus 1. Remember when we had a matrix, you multiply two matrices together and you got the identity matrix. Those were called inverse matrices. So you don't worry about so much the details at this point, but we're going to do this to both sides. Now, what we know is when you multiply a matrix times the inverse, you get this thing called the identity matrix, which is I times X. And the identity matrix, by definition, is the matrix that when you multiply another matrix by it, you get the same matrix back again. So I times X equals X. That's the way you solve for X. Right? So this is the inverse. This is the identity matrix. So when we get an equation like this, AX equals B, the way we're going to solve it is we'll put in the A matrix and we'll put in the B matrix, and then on the main screen we will do A to the minus 1 B. Now, we already know how to put matrices in the calculator. We already know how to put A and B on the screen. The only thing you don't know at this point is X to the minus 1. But again, look and see, where is the matrix menu on your calculator? Which button is it on? X to the minus 1. It's the same button. You're right there. Maybe that's why they put it there, because that is what you do with the X to the minus 1. Okay.